Good morning, children. So in this video we are going to see about the relation between Fahrenheit scale, Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. Okay, that and all we are going to see. So in that last class we saw about some scales of thermometers, right? Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. So now we move on to see the relation between Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. Okay, see the equation. So this equation gives the relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. So first equation, F minus 32 by 9 it's equal to C by 5. So this equation gives the relation between Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. Okay, the next equation, K, that is Kelvin, it's equal to 273.15 plus Celsius. So this equation gives the relation between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale. Okay, so using these equations we have to do some numerical problems, that is conversion from one scale to another scale. That and all we will see in the next. Okay, so this is the first numerical problem. So first read the question. How much will the temperature of 68 degree Fahrenheit be in Celsius and Kelvin? So here that Fahrenheit scale given, we have to convert it into Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. Okay, so you just write what and all given. So temperature in Fahrenheit is 68 degree Fahrenheit. So we have to find in Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. Okay, so first write the equation which is giving the relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, so F minus 32 by 9 it's equal to C by 5. So F, so you just substitute that value of Fahrenheit scale, 68 minus 32 by 9 is equal to C by 5. So if you simplify this, means we can get Celsius is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. That is, you just cross multiply and you get C is equal to 20 degree. So what is that Celsius scale? The temperature in Celsius scale is 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next we have to find that Kelvin. So Kelvin, what is the equation which is giving the relation between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale? That is K is equal to 273.15 plus Celsius. Okay, so here you just substitute the value of Celsius scale reading, that is 20 plus 273.15, then we can get the Kelvin scale. Okay, so 293.15. So the temperature in Celsius is 20 degrees Celsius and the temperature in Kelvin scale is 293.15 Kelvin. So this is the first numerical problem. So see, this is the second problem. First read that problem. At what temperature will its value be same in Celsius and in Fahrenheit? So first from this we know that Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius. So at what temperature will its value be same in Celsius and in Fahrenheit? So Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius. So first write the relation, that equation, F minus 32 by 9 is equal to C by 5. Now you substitute that value for Fahrenheit, that is Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius, right? So just change it, C minus 32 by 9 it's equal to C by 5. Now you cross multiply this, 5 into C minus 32 it's equal to C into 9. If you simplify this, means we can get minus 40, right? So the temperature in Celsius and in Fahrenheit will be same at minus 40. Okay, in this temperature minus 40, that both Celsius and Fahrenheit have the same temperature. Okay, so this is the second numerical problem. So we have completed this unit ma. In the next class we will start a new lesson, that is changes around us. We will start in the next class. Okay, thank you ma.